Have you ever found yourself stuck playing the same few chords over and over again? Do you dream of confidently navigating the fretboard, but feel lost every time you try? Or maybe you've tried bar chords, but something about them just doesn't sound right. There's buzzing, muted notes, and overall frustration. Trust me, I get it. We've all been there. The point where you want to take your guitar playing skills to the next level, but something is holding you back. Maybe it's a fear of not getting it right, or maybe you just don't know where to start. But what if I told you that those struggles are part of your journey, that every great guitarist has faced them and come out the other side stronger? The truth is, you're closer to your breakthrough than you think. That's why I created the Let's Level Up guitar course. Now, this is not just another online guitar program. This is your step-by-step guide to unlocking the guitarist within you. Imagine being able to move up and down your fretboard with ease, having a deeper understanding of rhythm and finger picking, and imagine playing your bar chords cleanly and with confidence every single time. With Let's Level Up, you'll learn how to strengthen your fretting hand so you can avoid those annoying buzzes and muted strings. You'll discover powerful dexterity exercises that will increase your finger strength and agility, making even the toughest chords feel within reach. But this course is so much more than just technique. It's about building your confidence and finding your own voice on the guitar. Whether you're learning to master 16th note strumming patterns, exploring advanced strumming techniques such as palm muting or accented beats, or diving into different finger picking styles like Travis picking, you will be equipped with all the tools you need to make your guitar playing your own. You'll have access to drills and jam tracks that not only solidify your skills, but also make practice really fun. And as you progress, you'll see yourself transform from someone who doubts their abilities to a confident rhythm guitarist ready to rock out in any setting. So why should you sign up? Well, because you deserve to see what you are capable of. Because the frustration that you have felt does not need to hold you back any longer. This course is designed to meet you where you are at, to challenge you, and to guide you into becoming the guitarist that you always have wanted to be. You've got the potential, you've got the passion, now it is time to level up. So join me in the Let's Level Up guitar course and let's unlock the music inside of you. So let's make this the moment that you look back on and say, that is when it all changed. So are you ready? Let's level up.